So as a human being we can focus on our creativity part, where we can know how to utilize AI into a specific task, and we can focus on creation of networking or distribution network. Why? Because you will get business through people only, network only. Ki how many people know your business, how many people know you as a freelancer, they can provide you the business. So if I am into website development, क्योंकि I'll make some website for the customers. So if there are only 10 people who knows me, I'll get hardly one proposal or one business in a month. That will not be sufficient for me. So if I'll know 1,000 people, 2,000 people, means every month I'll get 20 to 30 projects, so that I can earn around 1 lakh to 2 lakh rupees per month, according to my comfort level, right? Now, uh, what we can provide you in these kind of seminars. So in future, in night from 8 to 9 there will be data structure and algorithm course, and 9 to 10 in night there will be an advanced Java part. So every Sunday we have decided कि okay, from morning 11 to 2 we'll focus on how you can earn through those skills, right? So we'll provide you some services list. We'll provide you today also few. So like example, you can write blog post related businesses. Like example, कि if you are creating a website or blog related to pet related business, food of a dog, food of a cat, the caretaking of cat and dog and other pets that they have at home, right? So here, instead of being journalist writer, you specialize in creating content specifically for pet related business, like pet shop, pet training center, or veterinary clinics, right? Web development, same, developing e-commerce website for boutique fashion retailer. Instead of offering web development services for any and every type of business, you focus on a specific sector, right? So if you are created a good website or good example, कि okay, I have created a website for boutique fashion retailer, right? So you can target next 200 boutique fashion retailer, कि okay, this is my work, this is my example, this is my portfolio that I have created. Any one of you is interested can work with me, right? Same social media management, creating an digital marketing agency is also good. So managing social media for local restaurants. So every city has a lot of restaurants, right? So they want a lot of things. They want listing on Google also, they want their promotion also, they want to create business, right? So a lot of people do what they do, I'll tell you. So as a beginner in freelancing, there are few struggles, like it's tough to get clients because nobody knows you, right? You don't have any track record, and lack of experience is also there. So anyone who is interested, write down these or take a screenshot of these websites: Upwork, Freelance, Fiverr, Internshala, Contra. These websites provide you what to say, freelancing work over there. You can register with these websites, create your freelancer account, and try to bid over there on freelancer. Like there are bidding, कि okay, if somebody wants a basic project or a basic website or basic post, a lot of freelancer are bidding for that task. Now user can give to anyone who is bidding, first of all at a lower cost, second has a good track record of completion of those tasks, right? So this is the basic idea of freelancing. Now I'll tell you what people normally do when they'll create social media and all those things. So overall, when they try to get into it, है ना, मतलब as a skill set. So we have to identify, okay, what we are doing and what kind of skills we want for the earning part, right? So Shivain is a student right now, so I'll more discuss. Yeah. So Vishnu, can you tell me what you are doing, or what do you think, what skills you have can be capitalized? So this is not a class, first of all. The day part from 11 to 2 is all about workshop, where it's more about interaction with each other. Classes, what you skill need or technical skills you need, will provide it separately. This is more about a workshop where you can also talk continuously. So Vishnu, you can tell me.
Yeah. Good morning, sir. First
Good
of all,
morning, bro.
yeah. My name is Boraka Vishnuvardhan. I'm working as an associate software engineer in the role of Accenture.
Okay, Accenture.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Mm,
what do you do over there?
Basically, we'll do a stuff like using like a tool like a app like that.
Okay. And as a freelancer, or what are the skills that can you can easily capitalize? I know job is easy, right? Matlab,
Yes, yes,
when you are in a job, there are system, there are process, there are people who do lot of things around of you, है ना? So
yes, yes.
there are seniors who can guide you also. So what are the
Yes.
skills that you can capitalize directly?
First of all, you in order to be a freelancer, you must possess high level of skills now.
No, matlab, I don't believe that.
Huh?
Well, I'll tell you, if you don't have the skills, matlab, I'll tell you, sometimes you don't have a technical skills, but you know how to create client, right? So I'll tell you an example. There are a few people who take project in $20 per hour from other countries or maybe India also, right?
Yes.
And give it to other freelancer into $15, and with that only they earn around $5 per hour, right?
Okay.
So if you don't know everything, everybody don't know everything, right? If they'll ask you PHP, they'll ask you Python, they'll ask you some other language project, you can't do everything, but you should know few people that can do for you, right?
Yes, yes.
So right now, what skills you have, I'm asking.
Web development is.
So what development you can do for a small business or for a business maybe?
We can build some kind of websites like um, in order to by using a JavaScript like that.
Okay. So it will be a full stack or it will just a front end part, you are saying?
It's just like front end part.
Okay. So you can't create a backend.
No, no, no.
So, what to say? Go and find a backend also, right? Do some friendship with them so that, basically, normally, if I'll go to a company, right, or maybe a small business, I'll tell them, ki, okay, we will create this for you from front end to full stack part, basically, है ना? So, normally, a business owner don't hire different a technical business person hire different freelancer, technical freelancer, right? But as a small businesser who don't have technical knowledge, they hire only one freelancer and give them everything, कि okay, you can do everything from front end to back end. So
Yes,
that will be more helpful for the businessman also and for freelancer also, कि okay, because you don't know how to do it, let me help you out, there are other freelancers that I know, they can help you out.
yeah,
uh, so I'll tell you about that also, कि how you find your skill set also. So I have done my BCA from 2007 to 10. I started learning languages in 2006. So slowly gradually I got to know कि I have good language experience. So I can code. Second, I got to know that I have a good habit to talk a lot, and other people can understand also what I'm talking. So slowly gradually I realized that I have a good talking skills also. So I started teaching also, very early in my life, where when I was into BCA second year, I started teaching to BCA first year so that I can earn, right? uh,
okay,
Same other skill set, slowly gradually when I done my these parts, I did my MBA in marketing. So I have created my marketing skills also, sales skills also. I know how to talk, where to talk. Send me a basic lead management, from lead generation to lead closing, what are stages are there. I can do sales training also of different people, how to learn these kind of things. So these are
yes,
5 6 skills that I got, right, in a long period of time. There are two basic skills, one is coding, one is talking. Slowly gradually I enhanced it, and I created 5 to 6 basic skills. Now I use those skills to earn my money, right? Whether there is a job or not a job, I can go anywhere and start talking, right? So uh, same way you also identify what is your strength, what you love to do, right? What you're passionate about. So try to list down what is your strength, what is your weakness, what are the things that everyone says surrounding of you. Normally you got feedback from people, right? कि okay,
yes,
you are very fast learner, or you are a good coder, or different appreciation from different people. Don't take all of them seriously, take few of them seriously. Understand yourself कि okay, what is your strength also, and how you can utilize to earn money, without job also. So even if you are doing a job, you can earn 10 to 15 or maybe 20,000 rupees extra every month, right? So that can help you out into your life also. So, Kirthana Raj, uh, can you please introduce what skills you have? What do you think about it? Because it's a discussion kind of thing. Bhagyashri,
Mhm.
yeah,
So, I'm Bhagyashree. Recently, I joined in TCS.
joined what?
In TCS.
Okay, in TCS, congratulations first of all.
What?
Congratulations first of
Yeah,
all.
thank you. Yeah,
So,
thank you, sir.
is it started or is it you have joined or you just got the offer letter?
Yeah, I'm joined in last month.
Okay, so
November.
how's the training is going on?
Uh, I, I'm in Chennai. Training is started. There is full of rains. That's why
Yeah, yeah, in Chennai, I
we
know.
we went
There are,
we went to return back to hometown.
yeah, yeah, yeah. How's the situation over there now? Is it flood is gone down or is it still there?
Uh, yeah, in 3 days they're full of floods. Roads are filled with rains.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We have
Now it's
seen few
open.
videos. It was like so much of rain and water. It will be
Yeah,
tough over there right now.
yeah.
Okay. So, what skills you think will be helpful for you overall?
Yeah, I'm learning Java and you only. I'm listening your classes also.
Okay.
I didn't attend your exam. I didn't receive your mail also. Exam mail. I
Matlab,
don't know whether I filled the attendance or not.
Uh, basically, we have only put it that into group. Any student who called me कि okay attendance we have checked also. So I think there is no need to fill attendance. Basically, there are
Yeah,
same again. There are tools, right? So right now everybody is getting. I am automatically getting attendance, right? How there are basic extensions that do the work. So whoever joining at which time to which time, it is automatically record, right? So that is why
yeah,
maybe uh, okay,
yeah.
Bhagyashri. Yeah.
Okay.
Great. So you also write down, your skill set. कि okay, you are good with talking or good with any skill set that you think कि help me out me in my overall career. You can plan your skills. Same. Shiven, what do you think? What is your good skills?
I'm good at learning Java, its basics,
Okay.
and developing with the web development. And starting do more courses, more skills to upgrade my
Great,
skill set.
great, great. So
Yeah. And how we connect with clients.
I'll tell you also that I'll also tell you. So Shiven,
Okay.
what do you think?
Yes,
What is your skills?
I'm very not very sure of my skills right now.
Okay. What is your strengths then?
I'm good at learning. I taken what I learn,
Okay.
so I
Great.
taken
Yeah.
quickly.
Okay. So uh, let me tell you again and how to first, as I have shared initially, write down or take a screenshot of these what to say websites, uh, Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, Contra, or Internshala. You will get freelance work over there initially, or even if you don't get it, I'll tell you how to get it. Otherwise, take a screenshot of this, then we will discuss further more what we can do. So, what you can do uh, after writing down your skill set, write down your niche in which field you love to work. right? Maybe digital marketing, or maybe web development, or maybe what to say, related to sales and marketing, whatever you love to do. Write down those skills, then find out your niche. Okay, so initially, if you look at uh, these days, a lot of people in tier 2 or tier 3 cities, a lot of people are going online these days, and there are digital companies that do, they'll list you on to, Google, they list you on to different things, they'll mark your location, they'll do some basic photography, and they are charging clients like 20,000, 40,000 rupees, and they are not even, what to say, up to the mark, right? So digital marketing or other things, like if you are going to a client, or how you find a client initially. So find a client into your near circle first of all. For example setting, like initially in 2010, when we don't have any other, so there is one of my brother, elder brother, who, cousin brother, who lives in Kathmandu, Nepal. So I asked him ki, okay, he has a photo studio, and he was working for 15-20 years that time. So we told him ki, okay, we will take your, we'll make a website of yours where you can upload your portfolios, few wedding example, few photo shoots, where your users or your customer can see your work, right? So how it will help you out? Slowly, gradually, it will help you out to get new business, right? Same in digital marketing. When you go to a client, if I'll go to a client to ask 50,000 rupees, I'll tell them ki, okay, if you'll invest 50,000 rupees in digital marketing campaign, additional 1 lakh rupees of revenue will be guaranteed, right? So we can create you a funnel where you can create a new lead of customers, slowly, gradually, how from lead generation to lead closing. So lead generation, then demo or presentation, and then follow up, then closing of that lead. So we'll tell them ki, okay, we'll help you out to increase your revenue, increase your awareness about your user, awareness about your product into users. That's what we can do, right? And first, find an inner circle, create a basic portfolio. So create a PDF also about your portfolio ki, okay, this is one or two live example that is going on, that I have created, right? So do one thing first, that only. Second, after creating a sample work, right, you can create a funnel, a lead management, that you can do from those websites, freelancer, fever, and Upwork, and all those things. And otherwise, create a basic Insta channel where you create, showcase your, basic ideas, and create an advertisement, an Instagram advertisement, where you can ask people ki, okay, we make your you know we can do your digital marketing into that much, maybe 15 post, or maybe your basic website into 999 rupees, take a demo, talk to our client. So what will happen? Through that you can generate 500 leads, the name of the businesses or mail ID and the name, and then you can call them and give them the demo okay, okay, this is my sample work, that cost you around 10,000 rupees, would you love to take it? Or as a business, you have to understand their business also, and give them the according to their business recommendation. Like if somebody is into property business, right, and I have a property example, so I normally suggest property people ki, okay, look at this website, that's what we made, and there are 4 to 5 more examples that is there. If you want any one of them, you can tell me, or you can choose any website that you love. Then you can tell us ki, okay, what kind of work you want, right? So if somebody is coming to me ki, okay, I want to make this, and I know we don't make that, we can clearly say ki, okay, we are don't deal with that niche. So same way, the restaurant, right? These days, because of Zomato and all those lot of things, lot of dark stores are there. Branding is there. So in today's world, branding is important, right? The same cutting chai you can find in on 30 in 5 to 10 rupees, and anybody gives the name of that sum and create a basic brand awareness, they will sell it into 40-50 rupees, right? So from retail owner, those whole clothing, create a brand of their, create their awareness, you can find their website, you can find the Instagram channel, you can go to a good restaurant, there is a website, there is a basic Instagram channel, right? So you can sell these skills to your local restaurants or local market, where you know कि okay you have some advantages, right? So if you look into it, tier 2 or tier 3 cities, every day even I got the call कि okay, do you want Google 360, what to say, walk through for your retail store and all those things, right? So you can find out your niche कि okay this is what I can do, and this is how we can do. So one is finding a skills, second creating a sample work, and third creating a customer base and provide them the sample also, right? Provide them some newsletter, provide them some magazine, provide them something related to their company, right? So if you have the mobile number or WhatsApp number of 500 restaurants, find a new trend that is going on with restaurant owners or restaurant industry कि okay these days people do these kind of things, make a basic blog post and send everyone, right? So people who are reading about you, they'll 100% be interested कि okay what is the new thing that is there, what is the new trend, because what to say, in every 1 year or maybe 5 year a new thing will come, and people who know how to ride that wave, right, can create earning on that. Like before 2016 there was no YouTuber, right? There was no earning for YouTuber like this that has happened after 2016, right? Same way, when AI came, lot of people created earning through chat gpt. Same way, some new technology will come and people will create earning, right? When mobile was not there, there was no application development. So every time, right now it may be an AI, maybe it will be chat gpt, or now it's Gemini also, right? Maybe in next 1 year there will be something else, right? So where you can find out the trend कि okay this is how it is going, and you can tell your clients कि okay that's how we should go, right? So that is the basic idea, and any one of you have any discussion, you can discuss also. Okay, how to create a basic. So any one of you have any example, a live example of a website, okay, I have created it, or how to create a business also. The same way, like when Dream 11 came in, lot of replica application came out that created their market. The same way, the what to say, the grocery application replicas, or maybe TikTok replica, right? So a new trend came in, there will be a lot of copies of that also in India, right? So you can find your niche over there also. Okay, what is your customer can pay, and what kind of services you can provide to your customer, right? And if you don't know everything, you should know 3 to 5 people who can do things, right? Through that also you can create earning. You will tell them, those programmer or those developer, okay, I'll provide you the business, give me 20% or 30%, I'll generate the business for you, right? If you don't have any technical skills, but you have a sales skills, or customer relationship skills, so you can create customer, you can take business from there, develop business, or business development activities. And after that you can assign that business to any of your freelancer कि okay you can do it, or provide me again. So where you just have to create a bridge between those people and create your earning through them. So that was the basic idea. So you all can also participate into it. It's not one way communication, it is not a class. Any one of you have any query regarding this? So, Sanika Mahind, can you please introduce yourself? What you do right now, and what your main skills are? So they left. So, Vishnu, can you please tell me what you are, what do you think, how we should help you out into this?
Basically, in order to be as you said like that, in order to be a freelancer, you need not to do much stress work, right?
Right?
So instead of that also, you need luck also, no?
What?
You need luck also, no?
Luck?
Yeah.
if you'll see things on longer perspective of, perspective of 5 years or 10 years, there is no luck. There is no luck. I literally tell you, I seen people who are lucky. They get lucky one time, two time, and they destroy everything in 1 year. There are people who got, what to say, millionaire in their age of 22 or 25. They got destroyed in a long term. It's all about discipline. If you go long term, again, that what I'm telling you, in job, even if you see in business, in freelancing, you have to create a discipline कि okay, if I want to do this. In job, there's a one benefit that if you don't do a lot of discipline work, your job is not going anywhere. But they are not promoting you, they are not giving you higher money, they are not, you know who will become the CEO of the company next time. That guy will do everything every day, right? Same way in freelancing also, what people do, people create a basic portfolio, they'll try to hit 100 customer or 500 customer for, for few days. They do it 24 hours, right? From morning to night they are saying ki, okay, this is it, I'll earn 50,000 or 1 lakh rupees every month with this, right? But it is not about that. You have to decide ki, okay, again, same way, you can't go to a gym for 24 hours and say कि there should be a six pack abs, right? You have to go every day 30 minutes for 6 months, there will be there, right? Same way, if you look at an athlete, or where you look at a, international level athlete or a sports person, it is more about discipline, the mental discipline, right? It is not about physical skills, it is more about mental skills, how you conduct yourself, how you go about your daily routine. If there is a good day, you are crazy. There was a guy who told me one day, so if you understand few, I am from Rajasthan, there are few slangs over here. It is like he was a baniya, right, and I am a Brahman. So one day he told me ki, okay sir, I'll tell you, if you, got a profit of 10 lakh rupees a day, right? On the first day you are not going to sleep. Why? Because you are happy about that 10 lakh rupees. You earn 10 lakh rupees in a day, right? The same way, if you got lost 10 lakh rupees in a day, you are not able to sleep because you are sad, right? Ki I lost 10 lakh rupees, what a bad day, my life is destroyed, and all those things. You are not able to sleep in both scenario. And in both scenario, I am going to sleep easily. Why? Because I don't care, right? For me, it is a daily routine. Someday you got profit, someday you lose, it is okay. Next day will be there, next day sunrise will be there, and I'll try again, right? So it is more about that discipline. Okay, there is a good day, it is okay. In, good day, people do party and, till morning and all those things, and bad day they still drink until the morning, right? So it is not about that only. Luck is there, maybe for one time, maybe two time, maybe three time. But you perform those things for 5 years or 10 years, I'll guarantee you, bro, there is no luck.
Yes, yes.
है ना? मतलब, and even if you, मतलब, what's your age, bro, Vishnu?
Yeah, I totally agree with that. But in this situation, what I'm saying, like things like I have many friends in my college,
Okay.
even though they have highly skilled, their technical skills are very good, but they seems to be jobless now, and
I
they are
think,
moving to another countries now.
right. I tell you, for
Yeah,
that purpose, है ना, in this certain age when you are into colleges, है ना, there is a lot of thing called self doubt is there, right? मतलब, मतलब, when I was at that age, when I was in college, so I used to think, can I do it, or can I get a job, or am I good enough to get a job? There are a lot of self doubt, and
yes,
that self doubt kill your skills, right?
yes,
Market is, you see a lot of people who are maybe at your age, but they are confident to do a lot of things, right? And
yes,
when you are confident to do things, you do a lot of experiments. This is the age when you should do a lot of experiments. When I was into my, college time, I'll tell you, before clearing my MBA, so in 2008 or 9, I created my first tech company, right? I was hardly 17-year-old, bro. ठीक है, and everybody was laughing on me कि, what he is doing, but it was fun to do, right? I learned a lot of things, then I moved on, then I did my blogging website, and it worked for 2 years greatly. And when I was in my MBA, I started my NGO for maybe 6 months. It was great, right? But what will happen when there is no discipline, right? So मतलब in India we understand कि we need to earn every day or मतलब every month also, or this is the last age when parents is not asking money from you when you are into college, but when you know do your graduation or post graduation, after that parents will also expect you start working at least, right? So there is a mental pressure also there, है ना, on a lot of students कि okay I need to earn fast, or you know after my college I should got placed. And in job interviews, I'll tell you sincerely, na, it is more about a confidence and soft skills issue, right? So if you can see into any colleges, people who have little bit IQ but they know how to talk, they can get placed. But people who you know a lot of knowledge and a lot of skills, they are not able to placed into a company. Why? Because in interview they fumble, they got nervous, they don't talk a lot, right? So in interview you have to be confident about yourself, again, your interview, your job, or your everything is about live performance. Do you see any artist performing a live drama or nukkad natak, anything, a live performance of any guitarist, singer, right? So they practice a lot for those 1 hour, right? The same way if you are going for an interview, at least practice, at least do a lot of practice, right? Again the same way if you look at a lot of sports person who are very famous, right? They do a lot of practice for the match also. So if you are seeing them doing a lot of amazing thing into their live performance, it means they are putting a lot of effort into their practice. The same way in job or in life, whatever you are performing, maybe a work, maybe you are artist, maybe you are sports person, it is about how you are practicing about that thing. Okay, maybe in next 2 years I want to become a a great digital marketing expert. So in becoming a digital marketing expert, what you need to do, you need to do a lot of practice. You have to generate basic skills, then you have to find clients. You find 5 basic client, then do your work with them, and make sure that work will be the best in class, so that they will also give you the reference ki, okay, we feel ki you did amazing work, because of those 50,000 we invested into your idea, we got the extra revenue also. Because in digital marketing a lot of people what मतलब, everybody wants money without accountability, right? So मतलब, if you look into online world right now, it becomes a scam world, right? मतलब, lot of scams are there. You can find scam teachers. So in old days there was an institute at near our home. Our parents used to go over there and talk to teachers. They used to see okay what kind of teachers are teaching over there, right? But in online world there are a lot of scamsters are there. They can tell you like okay, oh, we'll tell you, we'll taught you the trading, we earned a lot of money through trading. It is not that, yeah, it's not that. And life is little bit slow, where you have to have confidence on you, and don't look for validations कि okay if someone will saying it is right, it is right, it is not. If somebody is saying something to you and literally tell you, bro, they are just trying to sell you something, sell you something, right? Maybe a shampoo, the same time we were discussing in India, in advertisement, if you look at an advertisement or marketing part, everybody is doing a drama, right? Fair and Lovely is saying you will get fairer, or something saying you don't get the what to say, a dandruff. Somebody is saying Complan or Bonvita is saying you will get a height, or everybody is saying everything. Why? Because a human being, or especially a teenager or early age who is below 30s, they have a lot of insecurities into their heart. Why? Because maybe of your environment. Because when I was a kid into 12th class, right, I'll literally tell you this story, till 12th class I had the height of 4 feet. I was the smallest in my classroom, right? So everybody used to ask me कि okay, he is not growing up anymore, his height is stopped, and all those things. So slowly gradually I created that insecurity in me, right? And I used to tell my parents कि okay, do something for it. Right? So they, what they can do, right? What they can do about it? They used to tell me, don't worry, your mother and father has a great genes, they all are tall, you will also be tall one day, don't worry about it. And one day I became it, right? Now I am around 5'10". So in that time, I also consume a lot of Bonvita to increase my height, but it will not work like that. That somebody will give you some pill and it will solve everything. It is not like that. It will be a long journey, bro. So this is from my side. Any questions you have? Because I have a lot of stories in life. I have done a lot of funny things in life. So there are a lot of stories. So any one of you have any question, you can ask, or you can also participate. Bhagyashri, Kirthanaraj. It is not about Vishnu and me also. It is normal, matlab it's just biological. You don't, well, again, I have a gray hairs in last 7 8 years. When I was 24 25, I had a gray hair. Everybody used to tell me ki, oh, very early is white, because it heredity, my father had it. Right, my father had it. So a lot of people used to tell me, matlab, even ki, color them and all those things, right? So for initial 2 3 years I used to color every month, so it will not show, oh, gray hair, right? But then it hit me, matlab, especially in COVID times, right? Why somebody is telling me, you go to any saloon, right? Go for haircut, right? They'll tell you, oh, there is a lot of dandruff, you need a spa. Oh, there's an D10, you need a D10. I don't know, bro. I am from a village and I have it. Or whatever you do it with me in 2000 or 4000 rupees, it will not going to stay for 2 days. After 2 to 3 days, basically my major life was into marketing also. For 8 years I was into sales and marketing also. So it will fade away. The sun will be there. There will be pollution. There will be a lot of things. I'll go home and I'll just wash my face. That's it, right? So what others are saying, you are not good enough, or there is some weakness, it means they are just trying to make sure to sell you something over there, right? So don't worry about those things. There is no thing like that. No. So look, any other thing you want to ask? So next Sunday also we'll try from 11 to 2. Every Sunday we'll try to conduct these kind of, again, workshop. It is for long term way, like same Vishnu, whatever you ask today, we will discuss on next Sunday also, or maybe next Sunday also, so that there will be, because basically these days you will find a lot of global gyani people. They'll give you generalized ideas, generalized gyan, but more than that I believe into specialization or specific. क्योंकि what work for Vishnu, it will work for Bhagyashri, it will not work for Bhagyashri. Whatever work for Bhagyashri will not work for Shiven. So according to your level or according to your demand, we'll try to fulfill that idea over there. Give me 1 second for 1 second.